Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel again. This is another trade recap that I want us to break down and show you my thought process, how I was able to execute this trade. Although I took 1 to 3 on this trade, but you can see this is the level we expected to target. The market has already delivered 1 to 5. This trade has been executed and I'm out of it already. So, um, without wasting time, let me just go straight to daily time frame and show you how I was able to get to this level, how I analyzed the whole thing, and my thought process to this level. So you can see I've marked this thing down, and as you can see, the same process I used to follow. This was the last change of character that we had in daily time frame. Why? Because when market was going up, market created the last low here and took it out finally at this point. And as you can see, we're expecting the market to respond or reject from here, and you can see market flash it out and cause another change of character. This is a sign that this market is going up, like it has given us the bullish momentum, like we are to be looking for buy in this daily time frame. But you know that daily time frame is a higher time frame. It's just showing you the overall, the major move, the major trend of the market. Internally, we can now go scale down to our lower time frame and see. So, and as I said in my process, if we had a situation whereby, let's say, market did change of character here, and you are expecting to sell here, both in daily or any time frame, and market did another change of character here, what you're supposed to do is to look for your inducement, look for your decisional POI, look for your extreme. So, in this case now, market systematically come here. First thing to target is inducement because you can sweep this inducement and continue going up. But since I have the understanding that market is coming to this inducement, then I scale to 1 hour and start trading down based on 1 hour trade structure confirmation. So let me show you exactly what I did, and that was what actually happened. So when I saw this break of structure, I knew the market has to come here. I'm not looking for buy, except market got to this low and mitigate this hidden POI. Then this is my extreme POI. This is an SMT. So until market get here, that's where I'll start looking for buy. So and I went to 1H. I went to 1H and I started seeing the structure that the market started doing from the up. You can see when market did break of structure, daily break of structure here, daily break of structure here. So I started seeing the structure. I didn't start selling from here because I wanted the market to give me the confirmation that it's actually selling to the daily inducement. So, and as you can see, market starts creating impulse correction, impulse correction. But when I got to this level, I noticed that market did something like this, came back from this for this inducement like this and close down. Okay, this is a confirmed structure for me, but one thing is missing. This leg do not have inducement, so it means that the inducement is still resting here. So I have to take a chill pill and wait for market to do its thing. Market came back to this top, sweep out this inducement and close below here. Then that confirmed a complete structure for me. And as you can see, first attempt was to look for my last pullback that the market did. Remember, first pullback that the market did, and market refused to push up and come there, mitigate this level, created another inducement. Market refused to push up, take the inducement out, and as I said, I don't sell below inducement. Market created another inducement and drop. And as you can see, it's clear that market still push up and come down. I shifted my inducement to this level because this seems to be the last pullback that the market did. So after that, I need to look for valid POI that rests above my inducement, which is this other block. This one is not valid because it do not have fair value gap. If you want to see the fair value gap in this one, this is the fair value gap in between. You can see this is the fair value gap. It's kind of tiny, but if you I've trained my eye very well to see it. You can see this is the fair value gap and it's associated with this other block. So, and you can see what the market did. Market got to this level, and as I explained to you, you can set your limit order here because we only have two 2 points that you can sell from. Sell your limit order here and target this low. And the second point is your extreme. Remember, this is supposed to be the high that will be protected, while this is the low. And you can see market systematically fail this one, and market come to this level, mitigate this extreme order block. You can see here, then you can easily take your second opportunity here, then target this low. Every other thing from here to here, from this your entry point to this low, is an internal structure and is considered to be noise. So trying to buy, trying to sell here might actually get you stuck. So, and as you can see what the market did. So if you lose 1% here, 1% here, you can easily get 1 to 5 here. So that's exactly what the market did. So immediately I saw this, I knew that okay, the my analysis is actually correct in terms of market is pushing down to the daily inducement, and I wait again. When market gave us break of structure from this level, it means that our high will be here, our high must be here, our high must be here, then our low must be here. And what do you see market do? Market did what we call pushback, because our inducement is supposed to be here, our inducement is supposed to be here, and probably maybe market mitigate something here and market drop. But instead, what does market do? Market just form a kind of pullback without taking the inducement and drop below this level. You can see market drop below this level. So it means that market is not taking out inducement, and this is not going to be classified as our change of as our break of structure. This level is not our break of structure, it's just a random pullback in the market. So it's not a structure because it doesn't take out any liquidity. So, and another attempt, market come down again. I was expecting market to come and take out this inducement here, but market push up again, create another inducement here, and as you can see I've marked it already. So market created another inducement here, another pullback. If you want to see it, you can see after this break of structure, this was the major pullback that the market created. And some people will say this is a major pullback. No, because this low is still being protected. Assuming that we had this, we can say okay, that's fine, but we don't have that. What we had was this leg was unable to sweep or come below this level and market push up. So this is not a valid pullback. So I've explained that in my previous video. You can watch it and you see market actually did this. So what I did was I identified my first POI that rests above my inducement, and I also set my limit order here yesterday. I set my limit order here that okay, whichever one I'm laying an ambush for you, anyone that you fall into, then it's going to be a win-win for me. So you can see immediately market got to this level, market deliver 1 to 5. But although I took out my trade at 1 to 3. So, and as you can see, holding this market has delivered about 1 to 5 in this trade. And this one seems to still be active because market can still push up and go and mitigate this level, but I've already secured wherever I want to secure in this market. So I'm expecting markets to mitigate this level and push down and come below here and give us break of structure, and the process continue until market gets to this. Remember, this is our daily inducement. So until market come below here, and when market, if market eventually come below here like this, and mitigate this level, I'll be looking for a change of character. Once I'm able to see change of character in 1 hour, I'll start buying to the upside. So that's just the way I analyze my trade. And as you can see, the two POI has been working. This one failed, this one deliver, this one deliver, this one is left safe. So no trap yet. The trap is still there, but you can see this one has caught the trap, and we had some we have some we've made some money from this setup. So that's it for this video. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to respond to your question. Bye for now.